Hi, I'm Asunta De Rossi and welcome to my FHM shoot. Siyempre, owe it to my fans and I really thank them for the support. Masaya naman ako. It makes me, it makes me proud of myself and I'm happy that the people I love are also proud of me. Not doing anything because my husband and I are planning to go on a honeymoon because we want to have a baby na. So, everything is on hold. But I'm okay. At least I'm more relaxed kasi I have more time for my family. I'm able to do what I want. Na-mention ko lang sa kanya that, sabi ko, I got a text that FHM wants to shoot me, ganon. Hindi pa ako nagtatanong sa kanya, sabi niya, go! Sabi niya, it's okay, I'm cool. Yun, he's very, he's very lenient. I don't know. Wala. For me, let them think what they want to think. Basta ako, yun. Maingit lang sila, palibasi mga asawa nila, hindi pinapayagan. I'm sure, marami dyan gusto mag-post. Ay, hindi pwede. Ako lang pwede makakita na katawan mo. Diyos ko, Diyos ko, katawan ko, nakita na ng buong Pilipinas, bago nakita ng asawa ko. So, what's new? Hindi, diba? Honestly, hindi na to bago, diba? Search nyo po sa internet. Ang dami.